I don't know why human do something should not have do, and after that become ashamed themselves. Sometimes I know I should not do like that, but I don't know how to stop myself to do like this. And finally I become ashamed. And I think, I ask myself, why did I do like this? Why I can't control? Even though I know I should not do like this, if I don't stop doing like this, God will be angry with me. I'm a human and God make me very beautiful with a very beautiful nature, with a very beautiful look as a human, and God give me a very beautiful planet. But I don't know why. I don't know why human do anything should not have do, and after that they become ashamed themselves. Sometimes I know I should not do anything, but I don't know why I can't control myself. I know it's harmful for my life, but I don't know how to stop doing like this. Is it the speciality of human? The God make us very beautiful, with a very beautiful nature, with a very beautiful look. But I don't know why.